What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Johnny A. I'm back at you guys with another video today. Hope you guys have been doing good. Hope you guys had a good weekend. Today I wanted to go over an email that I did receive from Acorns earlier today. I felt like I should share this with you guys, especially if you guys are new investors and are long-term investors like me. I know right now the stock market, the crypto market is looking still pretty bearish. A lot of stocks still low. Crypto, Bitcoin, Ethereum, all of them are pulling back. But right now, in my opinion, is the best time to keep dollar cost averaging and buying your favorite stocks for the long term. But I wanted to go over this email. Obviously, Acorns sent me this. If you use Acorns like I do, then you probably got the same email. And I just wanted to go over this with you guys real quick. So stocks were more stable last week as investors look forward to potential relief from inflation. Why? It looks like the Federal Reserve attempts to cool down inflation with interest rate hikes are working. So it looks like since the Federal Reserve has increased interest rate hikes, it looks like inflation is cooling down a bit. Now check out how that could impact your wallet below. Behind the inflation current, inflation numbers are based on how much stuff costs across four main categories. Goods like cars, TVs, or clothes, which we saw things getting more expensive. Supply chain issues from COVID-19 have been behind price jumps, but costs are starting to decline, so that's a good thing. Energy, how much you pay for gas, oil, and electricity. Energy is usually pretty volatile anyways, but costs have jumped as the war in Ukraine impacts where and how countries get their oil. So this is why we saw gas prices going up, obviously because of the war in Ukraine. Food like meat, cereal, or eggs. High energy prices have been the main causes of food cost inflation this year. More expensive fuel means it costs more to ship or even package your food, leading to a jump in food prices. Obviously, groceries are more expensive now. Services, think airfare, Netflix, and haircuts. Wage increases for these kinds of services have led to some of the price increases behind inflation rates. So obviously, this is why they've been increasing prices when getting haircuts or Netflix services, even airline tickets. So this is all due to inflation, as I went over real quick right here. Seeing into the future, it can take time for changes in the financial markets to make their way to your day-to-day costs, but economists are seeing price drops already. Oil is down nearly 20% in early July from June highs. This price pullback hasn't made its way to the gas pump yet, but stay tuned. So we probably will see a couple of cents with the gas prices go down a bit. Lumber is down 50% from its 1,400 plus peak in early March as supply chains improve and the housing market slows. Wheat, cotton, and corn are down more than 20% after peaking in mid-May. Good news from the past. Historically, price drops across major commodities like this have been followed by declines in inflation. These trends could be a reason for the recent stock market stability. Remember, whether markets are up or down on a day-to-day basis, you can benefit just by sticking with it. Consistent investing, no matter what the market is doing, can help you capitalize on volatility over the long term. And obviously, try to dollar cost average $5 or more a day if you can. This is basically what I've been doing. So, in short term, for the long term, this is great. Obviously, we're getting stocks at a cheaper price. We're dollar cost averaging into our favorite plays if you're picking individual stocks. So please do your own research if you're picking individual stocks or crypto. Obviously, I'm sticking with Acorns, so they put all my money into ETFs. And long-term investing, the best way to invest, in my opinion, not financial advice, will definitely pay off during times like these. So I definitely wanted to go over this email with you guys, especially if you're long-term investors. And I promise you, historically, we've seen it before. We saw it when COVID-19 hit. I even saw it when my portfolio tanked. It ended up coming back. Obviously, right now, like I went over real quick here, inflation the war in Ukraine have impacted the stock market and the crypto market. But I know all of this will eventually come back. So we just got to be patient for the long run. So I wanted to share that email with you guys today. Hope you guys got something out of it. Check out the article or email on Acorns. And I appreciate all of you guys for tuning in today. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button to follow me on my investment journey. Like the video, leave me your comments below. Follow me on Instagram, on TikTok. The links are in the description. If you want to sign up for Acorns or Coinbase to start investing in crypto, or Sofi or Robinhood, I have all my links in the description below. Sign up under my link. You get $5 free for signing up for Acorns. For Robinhood, I believe you get a free stock. Crypto, if you sign up for Coinbase and you put $100 in there, I believe you get $10 free of Bitcoin. So definitely check those links out below. So I appreciate all of you guys for tuning in. I will see you guys on the next video. So remember, be patient, invest for the long term. Peace.